Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Another quick DIY project for Halloween. I got these pumpkins at Dollar Tree. I bought about 14 because I didn't know how many I needed or how many I wanted to do. And grab a stick as well there. I think they sell it separate, a broomstick. Grab yourself some white paint. I'm gonna paint mine's white, maybe. I kind of like them orange. But I cut out their face, and you're gonna do that to all pumpkins. And cut out in the back if you want to put lights inside. So with a knife or blade, just cut out their faces on all the pumpkins that you got, right?
Yeah.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
It's cute.
Yeah.
Let me see your face. Ooh. All right, so let's get started.
Daddy.
You guys, at my local Dollar Tree, I picked up a few things for this DIY project. I'm not sure if I'm gonna use all of it, but I did get that. I did get these. No, stop. I got those. I did get white paint, a pack of brushes. I got this orange table cover. No. You can never have kids help you, can you? This tissue paper. I got 2 of the floral foam and a bucket and that stick. And you're also gonna need your hot glue. I'm not sure how I'm gonna do this yet, but I'm going to hot glue them in here so I can put this stick inside. I'm gonna fill it up with tissue and then put the orange on top so it looks filled. And then stack my pumpkins on the stick and run some lights through that. Okay, so at this point, just grab something that you can paint on. Your paintbrush and your paint. Let's see, this may need 2 to 3 coats of paint. Hi, Noah.
Whoa.
Careful.
Yeah, I like it.
Do you?
Yeah,
Don't touch.
I like it.
This paintbrush sucks.
You should like it. See you.
I see you too.
See you. Mommy, I'm fine.
No.
Fine. Mommy, I'm gonna do this.
Should I trust you?
I'm gonna do this.
Should I trust you?
I'll do it.
Should I trust you to do it?
I'll do it. Mommy.
Should I trust you to do it?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Oh my. Okay.
Okay, Mark. Mommy and Mark.
Okay. Well, you guys get the picture. Paint your pumpkin white and grab a partner, I guess. It's okay. We'll see you guys back when we're all painted up. All right, you guys, just really quick. This is how it looks with 1 coat. Oh, thought I had that backwards. I'm not painting the bottom because no one's going to see that. If you want to paint the bottom, you can. It's just my preference. I'm not doing it. And this help is driving me crazy. All right, so let's get back to it, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Alrighty, so this is what this pumpkin looks like after a second coat. And I'm gonna go ahead and give these a second coat. My help gave up. That's good. Right on. Alright, so this is what it looks like after 2 coats. They're looking cute. Gonna let that dry, and we're gonna do a 3rd coat and see how that is. Alright, so that's the 3rd coat. I'm liking how it's looking so far. Again, this is Dollar Tree paint. This is gonna be my other little helper, Twin Bee. Hi, Ethan.
Hi.
Say hi.
Hi. Ethan, I want this.
It's a hot glue gun.
It's hot.
Okay. So I'm thinking about putting this
Mommy.
around here.
Mommy.
Again, I got these at Dollar Tree. So I'm not sure how I want to do this. Okay, hold on. So I'm going to go ahead and wrap these around the bucket. And this is my other helper, Aubrey.
Mommy.
Yes,
He's so fighter.
that's the dryer.
Fighter?
Okay, so we're gonna put this sticker sheet on the bucket. Just like that. Okay, now turn that over.
To the other side?
Well, I'd say like right here. Do you?
Yeah.
Thanks.
Mommy, I'm a kiss pumpkin.
He wants to kiss the pumpkin. Okay.
I'm a kiss pumpkin.
This is gonna be the back. I should have grabbed another one, but I thought 2 would have been enough. So, oops. That's how it's going to look.
Kiss pumpkin.
Okay. Alright, so we're gonna get moving on to this.
Ooh, what's that?
Alrighty, so we took these out of the packaging. I'm just trying to create something that's going to hold our stick from shifting, like to try to keep it strong. So we're gonna hot glue the stick first, and then we're gonna try to hot glue this. And then that's when our tissue paper is gonna come in here, and then we're gonna scrunch those up and just throw them in here. So let's get started. Warm up your hot glue. Now that our hot glue gun is all heated, we're gonna put some we're gonna put a lot. Of glue on the bottom.
It smells like something's burning.
Yeah, the glue. Oh, you're gonna hold that?
Yeah.
Okay, well, we're gonna need that now. Now that we're gonna put the stick
Something funny.
all the way in the bottom.
Mommy, I'll be eating.
Jello.
Hello. Mommy.
Yeah. We're gonna try to hold on to this as much as we can so it can dry off. And then we're gonna have to start stacking stuff here so it can stay in place. Alrighty, you guys, this is not holding well. And plus, like, look at the size of this. I really thought it was gonna fit, but I guess I got the wrong stick, which is okay. We can work through it. Okay, so hand me some blocks.
How many?
Just keep them coming.
Okay. If that stick was
So we are going to do it this way, and we're gonna see how that works. If not, I got some time to kill. We'll figure this out. Okay. Use this one.
Imagine if I put one in my slime of how it would be.
And then that would probably be pretty gross. Dang, I should
That
have
was
got
a
more.
good apple.
Okay, let's try this one.
Okay.
Ew, it really smells when you crush it too. Okay. That's not working, the last one. Okay, give me some paper. Now we're gonna start filling them. Yep, keep going. Put it all up. Keep on going. Oh. So sometimes there's going to be two. Just make sure that you're doing one. Because I want to fill this up really big.
This is definitely one.
And if you can't, it's okay.
Okay. Got one bullet.
Keep on coming. So let's just try to open it up like this. This will be easier. Like that. Okay?
Okay, I see kind of two in here.
So this is the idea. We're gonna just fluff this up, and that's when the orange tablecloth will come in.
Here we go. We got a sheet of one paper. And then a sheet of two paper. And what is this one?
A pumpkin. I'm gonna make a pumpkin stand. I'm just trying to stuff in the areas we couldn't get to so the stick can hold well. So we're just shoving that all in the corners we couldn't get to with the foam. See? We're gonna get here. If you guys know of an easier method, go ahead and do it. If you would like to leave any suggestions, you can do that as well. So you guys get the idea, right? We're just gonna keep going and going and going. My little helper got tired. So this is what it's gonna look like after we're done stuffing it. And now we're gonna move on to the orange cloth. So I really can't decide which lights I wanna use. Look how cute these mesh lights are. So cute. And then the LED lights are also in orange, which I really, really love. They're so pretty. This is a tough decision. Just an idea going on. Oh, and that's how I wanted my pumpkin to be. Some of them. You don't have to have it like that. But I don't know if I want to keep this here like this. Or what. I actually put it on the wrong side. But I was able to puncture a hole in there so you guys could get my idea. I'm going to do that here. And the next pumpkin will be the hole on this side. And back and forth. And then I'll be putting the lights inside. Okay, really quick, this is what I decided to do. I decided to add 2 more pumpkins. I think it's better that way. It completely fills it up. And I painted them black. Where's the hat? Thank you. And then I added a witch's hat. And this is how it's going to look. And now I'm going to put the lights inside. All right, guys, so this is what I decided to do. Put another light. So I did, it's okay. I did run lights through here and put tape in the back. We like it that way. And now I just got these spiders from Dollar Tree, and I'm just gonna stick some around like that. Just like that. And this is the finishing look. Put all my touches already. Excuse the messy backgrounds, but this is it. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, like, and share this video. So, this is what it looks like at night. I freaking love this. It's so cute. I also decided the web that you get at the Dollar Tree, the white web, I put that in the bottom as well. Last minute idea, but super cute, and I'm loving it.